Oh, wait for it to start. Hey, there you guys are. Morning. It's Sunday morning, the 20th of July. We're up here at the farm. Melissa came up. She's got a girlfriend up here. They do a rummage sale. So she was doing that. I worked on equipment. We brought the ZeroTurn up that you saw on the trailer earlier. That's up here. We're going to stop and have the blade sharpened, but the service place is 6 weeks behind. So we're going to do a little mowing with it. It kind of beats the hell out of the grass, but it works. And then we'll take the blades off and bring them in. They said that's about a 2-week delay. So let's go mowing. This is the Scag ZeroTurn. It's a Tiger Scag 2016. Bought it from a friend of mine. We're going to take it out for its first mow. It does have the blower and clamshell holder on it at this point, but we're going to go out and see how it does. Very first thing you learn about a ZeroTurn is they are fast, so much faster than a regular riding lawnmower. There's no increase in speed on this video here, headed out the driveway to the dirt road. It's just fast, about 12 miles an hour I think it's rated for. So we're going to go up and down the dirt road and then in the other driveway to get started mowing.
Get enough, that summer feeling rough. Ooh, me and my friends dance until we drop, and the good times don't stop.
This is exactly what I bought this mower for. This is the orchard, the fruit tree orchard that we are putting together for my wife. You can see some of last year's trees with the white wrap on them. But there are some real small trees from the year before, so 2 years ago. Heavy rains this spring, they really took a beating, but they are completely engulfed in tall grass. The object of the zero turn is I can't take the big MX6 and get in close to these smaller trees, even the ones with the white wrap. It's easy to take the big brushing mower up the middle, but it's really hard to get in amongst the trees with something that big. So that's what the zero turn is for. Its job is to go in and mow around the trees, get in where it's not convenient to put in the big MX6. Now, the one thing we've noticed here, you can see the clamshell in the back with the blower and the hose. That's got to go when you're mowing fields. That's the first thing we learned here is you can't keep that on and effectively mow the field. So we did ultimately take that off. We did put it back on again. We brought that zero turn down here to the city house where we have a lot of maple and oak trees. We have a ton of leaves, and put that whole system back on again. It was great for picking up the leaves here at the city. Try and get some video of that. Here you get an idea of just how tight it is. Just coming right up against the different small trees that are here. I think it's right here. You'll see I'm turning to go to one of them, and I come right up alongside it. It's right there, just about on it. It's a woody piece, right there, right at the bar now. And then you see the stick there marking it so that we know where we are. And then I'm coming in and getting that long grass out of there. That's the purpose of this mower. That's its whole function on the farm. It's just to get in tight against these small trees. Now I use it also up where the motorhome is at. It works really well for getting around there, and I was over and mowing around the maple trees, which are on the other side of the property. So we'll finish watching this mow and wrap it up here in a few minutes. Thank you.
wanna be in your race. I got my own lane, doing my own thing. I don't wanna get in your face. Got nothing to prove to you, and I got so much to do. I'm flattered that you think that I'm in your day, but your opinion won't cut me a check. Making the moves, not making the noise. Still keeping up with all of the all the secrets, but I'm keeping quiet. Silence is golden, honey. Making the moves, not making the noise. Still keeping up with all of the boys. You want all the secrets, but I'm keeping quiet. Silence is golden.
Hit something. Looked like a tarp when it went in, so it I think it went around the spindles, killed the engine, now it's flooded. So we'll let it sit a bit.